Hey there. So if you have tried to make money online before and it didn't stick, this is for you because I tried for 24 years as well. I tried blogging. I tried Amazon affiliate. I tried MLMs. There's not a lot I didn't try. I did Amazon print t-shirt on demand. I had an Etsy shop for a while. I even sold plasma. So I have tried it all, you name it. So if that's you, stick around. You're absolutely going to love this video. I'm Kelly, by the way. I started bringmamahome.com because I'm so passionate about moms being able to be home with their children, but also not having to suffer financially. So I know what it's like living on one income. We've done it for 24 years and most people really, really struggle. So if you're here and you want to be home and stay home, but you also want to contribute to the finances, there are ways that are going to blow your mind. And I'm so excited to share what I personally do, and I can't wait for you to see it. So all the years that I've spent trying to make money online, it's not that online income wasn't real. I knew it was real. I was seeing other people do it. It was that I was missing a few pieces. So there are three major things that you need to make money online, just three, but those three things have to be put together in a certain order. And I'm going to tell you what they are. See, most people don't fail because they're lazy or because they haven't tried hard enough. They're just missing one of three critical pieces. Maybe two, but at least one. So here they are. Number one, you need a proven product. Not something you think people might want, not something that you think is great, but you haven't validated and you're not sure if it's a proven product. Number two, you need marketing skills because you can have a really, really, really great product. But if you don't know how to market it, if you don't know how to get in front of the right people, if you don't know how to get the right traffic, you will hear crickets. And number three, you need mentorship. You need coaching. You need structure. You need someone to really help you fine tune your marketing and make sure you're on the right track. Those three things are very vital ingredients to running a successful business online. Now, for years, I had one or two of those, but I never had all three at the same time. And that's what made a huge difference for me. And when I finally got all those three, I scaled to six figures very quickly. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can too. Now, back to the proven product. Trying to build a product before you know that there's a market, before you know that it's proven and validated, is like trying to build a car before you know how to drive. You just have to have a proven product that people are actively searching for and you know they are going to purchase. And so there's a whole process for validating a product. If you don't know how to do that, that's a problem. So you've got to have a product that is validated. Secondly, your marketing. Marketing is not magic. It's actually very scientific. It's very structured. It's very psychological. And you have to know exactly how to get in front of your perfect customer, what kind of marketing psychology is going to trigger them to purchase what you have, what your offer is. So having a good product without good marketing, it might as well be invisible. You're not going to make sales. And then thirdly, the mentorship. You can be on YouTube and you can piece it together and you can learn from this marketing expert and this guru, but that's going to leave you with a lot of confusion and overwhelm. The main thing that matters when you're marketing a product or service is having clarity. And once you have clarity, all of the other pieces click into place, and that's when you start actually seeing results. Now, my breakthrough was not magical, but it happened when I was able to find what put all three of those pieces together. I found a business model that gave me proven products, products that were validated, products that people were searching for and purchasing. It gave me coaching and mentorship, and it gave me the marketing expertise, the marketing education that made sense, that showed me exactly how to get my products in front of the right people. Now, bonus to all of that is all of these systems that I needed, the sales system, the websites, all of that tech stuff, it came done for me. So that is a huge bonus. I did not have to create a website or a sales funnel. And by the way, if you work on that end of a business, if you've ever tried that before, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work just figuring out what platforms to use and how to use them. And it's a huge learning curve. So this business model cut out all the learning for me, cut out the learning curve. I could jump straight to a done for me system that I could actually start promoting the next day, with marketing that told me exactly what to do step by step, with coaching that is there for me every single day. I got a one and done. And so previously, I would find coaching that might get me halfway. It would get me, instead of A to Z, it would give me A to G. And so I would learn this much of how to market a product or this much of how to create a product, but I wanted something that came completely A to Z for me. I wanted to know that if I'm going to spend any money, it was going to make me money. That's where I was. I wanted something that worked, and that is exactly what the business model I'm about to tell you about did for me and is doing for thousands and thousands of other regular people like you and me. Now, what I am describing is resale rights for digital products. I purchased resale rights, which gave me a full education on social media marketing, but because I own the rights, I could then resell the products. It's my favorite way, really, to earn online. There are lots of ways to earn online, but this to me is the simplest. It's the fastest to implement because the systems are already done for you. And colleges have been reselling information over and over. We have no problem thinking about it like that. We have no problem thinking about affiliate marketing where people can recommend products or services that they love and make a percentage if they make a sale. So same concept, except with this, you own the rights because you're purchasing in them upfront, and then you make 100% profit off of your sales. And furthermore, this particular digital product that I promote has an education that far exceeds a college level degree, and it's much cheaper than a college degree. So I absolutely love recommending it. Again, we get live coaching, ongoing coaching. If you were to purchase these things separately, it would cost $5,000 to $10,000. But I made a purchase under $1,000 at the time and got resale rights, a done for me business complete with the systems, the website, everything ready and set up for me, and then mentorship and a community on top of that with additional coaching. It was one and done. It was plug and play. And where I was in my journey as a mom who just wanted to make money from home, I wanted to help my husband. I was very busy. I didn't have time to figure anything else out. I didn't have time to create another product or build another system. This was the perfect answer for me. It is not for everybody. It is not a get rich quick scheme, although I did hit six figures in 10 months. It is definitely the simplest of everything I've tried to start, especially if you're a beginner and you kind of don't know where to start. This is absolutely a fantastic launching pad. And then if you want to go on to create your own products later on, the training in our program teaches that as well. Now, I'm going to link the details below. I want you to look at that. I have a video that I made that shows you inside the program everything you need to know, answers all your questions. Take a look at that, and then you decide for yourself if that's the path for you. But personally speaking, I sure wish someone had showed me this 20 years ago. So check the link below. After you watch the video, let me know if you have any additional questions. I'm here for you. I would love to answer them for you.